Our one YouTube subscriber made a complaint this morning that we haven't made a video. So today we thought we would talk about, does size matter? This is for you, Dan. We're talking about rivets, a pop rivet versus our mimicking a bucksaw rivet. And we thought we'd try to do a little strength test and see which one fails first. So we set up a pulley to our truck and then we anchored it on our CNC table, and we'll see how many cranks it takes for it to fail. Wait. Is it even reading?
Barely reading.
Okay.
That's one.
One crank, two, and the pulley broke. All right, let's try it again. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, Ben, pull. 4 pulls. When testing product strength, do not use Chinese-made stuff. The safety manager has given us some safety glasses.
Yes.
So it looks like on the pop rivet, the shaft actually sheared into 2 pieces.
It's terrifying.
Now we're going to try the larger buck rivet that has the 3 folds coming out the back.
Olympic style rivet.
The what?
Olympic style rivet.
Olympic style, okay. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. We got to start over. The pulley collapsed. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 4.5. 4 3/4. Our son is having trouble here. Do you want me to crank on it?
This stuff's tight.
There's 5, maybe? Come on, son.
You want to try? Go ahead.
Okay. Woo! We got to like 6? Damn! Safety glasses.
Where did it go?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So we combined that rivet.
Did you get that?
I don't know.
Thank God I was wearing my safety Hey Dudes. Otherwise I could have hurt myself. It failed in the same spot. The shaft broke, but it took considerable amount more force. Anyways, there you go, Dan. There's your video of the week.